Mike, what are you drinking?
Whiskey sour.
Make me one.
Yeah. Okay, so let's make a whiskey sour. We're gonna need whiskey, so we'll use this bourbon.
Is there a type of whiskey you use typically?
I typically go for American whiskey, like rye or bourbon, because the aggression from American oak stands up really well to the lemon juice and simple syrup we're gonna use in here.
What's a simple syrup?
It's just sugar and water. So we'll use 2 ounces of whiskey. And we'll use 1 ounce of simple syrup. And then we'll use 1 ounce of lemon juice. Then we need to shake it.
Why do you shake the drink?
You want to shake it to fully incorporate the lemon juice into the cocktail. And you want to shake for about 10 to 15 seconds till it's ice cold. So it's pretty cold to the touch there. And actually the temperature forms this seal so it doesn't come unstuck. See what I mean? Also, when you shake it, it makes the drink sort of bubbly. There's a bubbly texture like this.